Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back again. So a very good morning to you all. This is Raihan Ahmed. So guys, after some time, welcome back. So guys, I'm trying to say this is a raw video. Okay, so completely raw, no editing. So guys, welcome to my channel. Learn English step by step. Speak English with confidence. So those who are not able to speak English, don't worry about it. I'm here to help you. So we have to practice a lot. We have to practice several types of topics, easy conversation, word vocabulary as well. Apart from that, we have to practice a number of structure class. Okay, a number of structures, so which facilitate us to speak English with confidence or fluently. Okay, so guys, we have to practice. We have to speak we have to say a sentence several times to be fluent. Okay, so guys, I am somewhere in the field, so you guys are able to see there are a number of players. Okay, there are a number of players. They have come here to play in the field. Okay, so now I am walking around. After some time I will play in the field. Okay, so guys, hope you guys are practicing. You people are practicing. You guys are speaking with your colleagues, friends, teacher, family, so that you can speak English. Okay, inshallah we will be able to speak English. We will be able to speak with confidence. So guys, don't worry about it. Okay, those who aren't get any partner, friends, okay, so don't worry about it. You are able to speak. You are able to make video like me. Okay, so speak with and surrounding area, surrounding regarding things, regarding surrounding area, so that you can practice English. Okay, so you guys are able to see there are a number of players playing in the field. Okay, a beautiful field. You guys are beautiful as well. Okay, so this is a beautiful field and you guys are beautiful. Okay, and you are able to see a cow eating grass. So guys, after some time fishermen will come here to sell fishes. Okay, you guys, you beautiful people are able to see there is a massive fishing area. Okay, Okay, there was a boat as well. Okay, so fishermen, there was a boat as well, fishermen to catch fish. Okay, so you guys are able to see this. There is a fishing area, huge massive fishing area, and people catch fish. Okay, so I would like to request, please wake up early and enjoy the beauty of the nature. Okay, so Allah has created beautifully, and the wind are charming as well. Okay, it refreshes mind, delightful, cheerful as well. Okay, the sky is cloudy, you guys are able to see, and very wind, and it refreshes my mind, cheerful, delightful as well. So I would like to request, please wake up early in the morning, okay, to refresh your mind. Okay, so you guys are able to see there are a number of cows. Okay, they are eating mango leaves. Okay, they are eating mango leaves. Okay, it's around 7 o'clock. So I wake up early in the morning at 5:30 regularly to physical for physical exercise. You guys are able to see how beautiful nature, and game is start now. You are able to see there are a number of player playing football in the field. Okay, so I'm walking and talking to you. You guys are beautiful. You guys, hope you guys oil and practicing a lot. Okay, inshallah we will be able to speak English. Okay, we will be able to speak with confidence. Okay, and I would like to request, practice, speak with confidence, speak a lot, practice a lot. Okay, exercise a lot, exercise a number of topics, vocabulary, structures, easy conversation as well. Okay, so that we can able to speak with confidence. Inshallah we will be able to speak with confidence. So wake up early in the morning and practice yourself. Those who get any friends, colleagues, partner, so don't worry about it. You play a role, you play as a friend. Your environment is your friend. Okay, nature is your friend. Okay, nature provides, facilitate a lot of things. Nature is your friend. Okay, make your friend to speak English, to, okay, to practice English. So you guys are practicing. There are a number of cows. Okay, they're eating their food. Okay, so guys, now today, so I'd like to end the video. So now I'd like to play football in the field. So guys, I'd like to request, please practice, please practice a lot. Okay, so that you can speak English, you are able to speak English, okay, fluently with confidence. So don't worry about it. Inshallah, see you some other time. Till then, assalamu alaikum. Have a nice day.